Do you want to know?
Hello everybody, my name is jynellTrail. Welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. If you hear noise in the background, that's my husband. Please ignore that. Please try to ignore it. So I know I took a break, but I was fighting this nasty ASS cold. So now that I'm over it, I decided to jump back into, you know, our continue where we left off. So today I have a wig review for you guys. So this company, all their information will be linked in the description down below. And yeah, so first let me give you some details on this wig. So this wig is a body wave lace front wig. It is 13 by 14 HD transparent lace. It is in 20 inches and this is what it looks like. I'll also insert a Amazon feature here because it is an Amazon based company. So I already bleached the knots, which was an epic fail. I'll also insert a video of that, a clip of that, but I somehow figured it out. So I bleached the knots, even though it doesn't look like it was bleached, but if I wipe this off you would see, because I over bleached it. Let me see if I can show you guys. It was an epic fail and see, I over bleached it, but it's fine. So yeah, I bleached it and I plucked it, and you know, I'm gonna go ahead and install it for you guys. So like I said, all the information about this wig will be in the description box down below, so go check them out and like this video, comment down below, and share this video, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. So let's get into this wig. I don't know if I told you guys, but this wig came with some lashes. These are the lashes, some mink lashes. I like them because they're not too big and they're not too, you know, out there. So I like these. And then it also came with some wig cap, and I'll be using these wig caps. So let's get into this meltdown. So the first thing I'm gonna do is add some Wonder Lace bond, and I'm gonna spray it on my edges and brush it back so I don't lose them. So we're gonna spray and blow dry and brush it back. So now that I have that situated, I am gonna go ahead and apply my wig cap. And as you guys know, if you've been following me for a while, I like to do the ball cap method. So I add the cap on, pull it all the way down. I know I look crazy. Alright. So I saw this video where this lady, she said the best way to, like, you know what, let me cut some IOs in this thing because I don't want to burn myself trying to make a video for you guys. Alright, so I'm gonna cut some, you know, myself. Alright, just like that. Alright, so she said for the best results you're supposed to add the lace glue, or the ghost bond glue to the wig cap. Add like a thin layer and then blow dry one side at a time. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so now that that's dry, I'm gonna go over it with the bonding spray. So now that that's finished, before I cut this off, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my makeup. I know I look hideous, but just bear with me. I'm gonna apply some powder on the wig, on the cap. You should have something like this. I'm gonna cut this off now, but first I'm gonna apply the same powder onto the lace. I'm gonna take your wig, you're gonna apply it. Yeah. If you need any more, I'll just add it as I go. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off. I'm gonna use this razor thingy that I'm so deeply afraid of. I think this is good. If you're like me and you have like little part of the lace lifting, just add some more of the lace glue. Add a little bit more of the lace glue and then blow dry it. And you should be fine. I'm gonna take a cotton pad. Why is this not? Sure. Alright, now I'm gonna take a cotton pad with some witch hazel on it because I do not have any glue, and wipe. I do not have any alcohol at the moment, and wipe the excess makeup off. And then I'm going to measure the wig on my head. If you see me looking this way, it's because my mirror is right here. Alright. I think I'm gonna add some more makeup to this. I'm gonna use the lace tint spray because it looks a little bit dark. Alright, let me see if this looks better. Yeah, this looks much better. All right. All right, like that. I'm gonna spray it with some water to like get the. All right, now I'm gonna use mousse. Here back for it, so I don't get any glue on it. Put it in a hair tie. All right, like so. And I'm gonna cut the earlobes off. So now that I have that in place, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lace glue. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, found it. All right, the lace glue. I'm gonna spread it out. And then I'm gonna blow dry. Alright, so she also said that the key to a well melted lace is to do it in sections, but as you guys can see, I already applied this this thing on my head. This is a risky step that I'm taking right here. Don't follow me. Cut it before you apply the glue. Alright. So she said to cut the lace in 3 sections and lay it one side at a time. So I'm gonna do this side first. And she said to use your comb and press it in. Get your holding spray right directly above where the earline is, the earline, and then blow. And just repeat that step. So after you're done with that, you're gonna go ahead and tie it down for like 5 to 10 minutes. I'll see you guys in 10 minutes, which will be like in the next. Alright, so I am back. When I tell you that this, I didn't even tie it tight. When I tell you that this had my head beating and bumping, I had to take it off. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off, and I'm gonna do it in a in-out motion. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray some of the holding spray on my rat tail comb, press it in and blow dry. Alright, so I went ahead and I took some baby hairs out and then I tied it down again. So now I'm gonna go ahead and style this wig. Middle part. I'm gonna go in with my wax stick and light on top, and I most definitely feel like the powder that I use is like too dark, so it's not even showing the part. We'll fix that. We will fix that. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with my hot comb.
It's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give.
There's something wrong with this side. Why is it higher than this side? So this is the finished look, you guys. So I went ahead and I styled my baby hairs and I styled the wig, and this is how it came out. I love it. As you can see, it's holding the curls. This hair is by far one of the best hair that I've worked with, and I must say I love it. Tell me what you guys think down below in the comments. Is it giving I think it's giving. I think it's giving. So like I said, all the information about this here will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment, turn your post notification bell on, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.